All right, well, we are closing out the work week on a great note. When we start to see more of these greens and yellows on the map here, that's a nice warm up across the western one half of the United States. Even portions of the western Dakotas today seeing 50-degree weather, and it's on its way. Now, we have a lot of snow to melt. I'm not saying we're going to see 50 degrees at all here in the valley, but we definitely have a nice warm up in store. More on that in a second. Today, we enjoy a gorgeous setting sun in the western sky, 21 on the thermometer, and the wind, not much of a problem at all. Under 10 miles per hour, and it's from that warmer south-southwesterly direction. And looking in that southwesterly direction, we see temperatures close to 30 for Gwinner and Valley City. It is 30 in Devils Lake and Jamestown. And as we look out in the east, we do see a few teens out there, mainly in Polk County, Red Lake County, Pennington County, seeing 17 this hour for you in Thief River Falls. The rest of us in the 20s. A lot of clear skies over Minnesota. That's where temperatures were the coldest first thing this morning. We've had to deal with a few clouds out west, but warm weather as well is punching its way in. Your hour-by-hour forecast as we close out our Friday. Here's what you can expect this evening if you're heading out to the good old hockey game or wherever you may roam. We have some south winds that'll be persistent at 5 to 15 miles per hour. A few clouds moving through the valley tonight, but temperatures climbing for our northern counties. So if you are in Thief River Falls, Crookston, up near Argyle and out towards Grand Forks, I think temperatures slowly keep climbing into those 20s this evening. We'll see temperatures fairly steady elsewhere. Then as we go through the overnight tonight, notice we will have clouds. The wind picks up just a little bit. It'll be breezy from the southwest or south at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here in the Sisseton Hills, our model's picking up on some green arrows there. Those are some gusty winds closer to around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures for everybody on Saturday morning starting out in the 20s, and then as we go through the midday hours, you could expect increasing sunshine from the west as we go through the day. That's that warm front making progress. Look at the warm temperatures poking into the Harvey area in Wells County, seeing those 40s. Our western counties rising well into the 30s to near 40 in Jamestown, 35 to 40 degrees in the Devils Lake Basin. And look at good old Fargo, North Dakota. We'll see 40 degrees here. Picnic baskets will be broken out. Some grills will be lit up, and there's a fair to partly cloudy chance of some hot dogs and some burgers. It does look like temperatures, even in the Lakes country, warming up nicely well into the 30s. Planning forecast for Fargo tomorrow, mid-20s to start your day. We'll see a fair mix of sun and clouds. It'll be just a little on the breezy side, but it's not going to blow you over. We'll have temperatures rising to 40 degrees in the afternoon. Tomorrow evening looks very quiet with temperatures staying above freezing for a fair amount, but dipping below freezing into the overnight. Temperatures out to the west will have a legit shot at 35 to 40 pretty much everywhere. To the west of the Red River, out to the east, a few 40s in the trees, like in Bemidji once again, Park Rapids once again, and I think Baudette, a great shot at 40 degrees for your day as well. Gorgeous shot here from Alexandria, North Union Lake there on the sunrise, going to work on some snow piles. Sunday, just a little cooler, but the morning half of the day, like all the way till about 2 in the afternoon, pretty good. Then gusty winds will cool us off into the start of the week, dropping us all the way to 29 on Monday. But then we are above freezing each and every day of that 7 day. After we get by Monday, a few flakes in the forecast. It looks very light and it looks fantastic.